Hello, dear students. Welcome to e-learning classes of PNMLC High School. I am Harsha Krishnani, your statistics teacher. So we'll learn the new subject, statistics. Up to 10th standard, you might have studied statistics as chapter, but in 11th standard, you will have to study statistics as a different subject. So let's have an introduction about statistics. What is statistics? The word statistic is used to refer to number 1 numerical facts such as the number of people living in particular area. Numerical facts means the things that can be measured such as the number of people living in particular area. So statistics refer to numerical facts. Second, the study of ways of collecting, analyzing and interpreting the facts. So statistic is a study that helps to collect the fact, analyze the fact and interpret the facts. So overall we can say that statistic is the set of mathematical equation that we use to analyze things. It keeps us informed about what is happening in the world around us. Suppose if we want to know the death rate and the birth rate of a particular area or a particular region, that can be known with the help of statistics. So any numerical data can be known with the help of statistics. So statistic is important because today we live in the information world and much of this information we determine mathematically by statistics help. So now let's have a look on chapter number 1 of statistics, that is collection of data. So here data means information or some facts. Now let's study about the origin and the growth of statistics in India. Origin and growth of statistics means how it began and how it developed in India. So let's read it. The first point is India has a significant contribution in the field of statistics. That means our Indian statisticians have given some major contribution in the field of statistics. Second, it is from the time of Mauryan Empire. That means it is not from the recent times, but it is from the time of Mauryan Empire, that is before Christ, you can say. Third, N.I. Akbari is a book which is written by Abu Fazl during the time of Mughal Emperor. So it is a book in which highly developed statistical systems are mentioned. Third and fourth point are in connectivity. So N.I. Akbari is a book of statistics in which highly developed statistical system for administration and revenue services are mentioned. Fifth, the German word statistic was first used by Gottfried Achenwald in 1749 for the analysis of data about state. Let's understand the fifth point in detail. Here you can see that the German word statistic means political state. That means the data is collected of that particular state and then it is analyzed. So once if the data is collected, it is then analyzed. Suppose the data about population is to be collected. So the state wise data will be collected and then it will be analyzed. How it is analyzed? Like Delhi has 8 lakh population, Maharashtra has 10 lakh population. This way this is analyzed and at last it is interpreted. Interpreted means out of 8 lakh population of Delhi, BPL are 2 lakh, middle class people are 3 lakh. So this way it is interpreted. So once the data is collected, it is analyzed and then interpreted. So the word statistics today refers to either quantitative information or the method of dealing with quantitative or qualitative information both. So by 18th century, the term statistics was used for systematic collection of data by different states or by all states. In late 19th century and early 20th century, advanced field of statistics was developed. Galton and Carl Pearson used mathematical statistics in science, industries, and politics. And so, Carl Pearson is called the founder of mathematical statistics. In the year 1910 and 1920, Gossett and Fisher initiated to develop modern statistical science. for the data having small samples. Fisher applied the statistics in different fields such as genetics, biometry, psychology, education, agriculture. So, he is well known as father of statistics. And now let's have a look on growth of statistics in India. First point is the Indian Statistical Institute ISI was founded by well-known Indian statistician P.C. Mahalanobis in 1931 at Calcutta. So ISI was founded by P.C. Mahalanobis when in 1931 at Calcutta. So he also started first postgraduate course in statistics at Calcutta University in 1941. So in 1931 it was founded by him, and in 1941 he started the postgraduate course in statistics. And second, Indian Agriculture Statistic Research Institute, that is IASRI, contributed a lot in the field of statistics. So this institute also contributed a lot in the field of statistics. So these were the two institutes, ISI and IASRI, that contributed a lot in the field of statistics. Now let's have a look on the definition of statistics according to Croxton and Cowden. Statistics is the science which deals with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. So, why statistic is called science? Because it also has some rules and regulations. So, it is called science, which deals with the collection. Collection means the very first step is to collect the information. Suppose if you want to know about the literacy and illiteracy rate of particular area, that means first we have to collect the information of that particular area, then we have to analyze it, that means we have to understand it, and then interpret it, that means we have to come to the final conclusion or some result of numerical data. Numerical data means some facts or information in numbers. So statistics is the science which deals with the collection, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Nowadays, statistics is not only useful for quantitative data, but it is also useful for qualitative data, and it is considered as an independent part of scientific methods. Industrial statistics and branch of statistics, operation research was used in military projects during the Second World War in India. So, operation research is very useful. Even P.C. Mahalanobis formulated the second 5-year plan with the help of OR techniques, that means operation research techniques. Operation research techniques can also be useful for government to increase the per capita income with minimum resources. So, considering all this, the use of statistics in recent times, its importance cannot be ignored. The constructive development in statistical studies has considerably increased its scope and importance. So, we have studied about the introduction of statistics, its origin and growth. In next video, we are going to study about quantitative data and qualitative data.